Welcome to Canada's deadly winter. On January 15, 2026, a massive blizzard transformed the Greater Toronto Area, GTA, into a giant freezer. Scarborough hit a staggering record of 53 centimeters, while Toronto and Pickering were completely paralyzed. Look at these visuals. These vehicles aren't just buried. They've nearly vanished from sight. Here, if you want to find your car, don't reach for your keys. Reach for a shovel and a prayer.
Man, this is Canada right now. This is Canada right now. It's too much. Today there's snowstorm.
Why so extreme? Scientifically, this is the assault of lake-effect snow. As freezing polar air masses slide over the warmer waters of Lake Ontario, they absorb massive amounts of moisture, only to spit it back out as instant ice crystals. The result? Road friction simply disappears. This is why multi-ton trucks slide uncontrollably like ballet dancers on ice, spinning helplessly into the ditches. After crippling TTC bus stops and causing hours of chaos on Toronto's Don Valley Parkway, the snowstorm surged toward southern Ontario. From Hamilton and London to Mississauga, everyone felt the impact. As temperatures plummeted, the metal in engines suffered thermal contraction, causing countless vehicles to stall in their tracks. Environment Canada reported that Pearson Airport was hammered by over 23 centimeters of snow, triggering 250 flight cancellations. In the middle of the frozen runways, maintenance crews worked tirelessly against the ice. Aerodynamically, even a thin layer of frost on the wings disrupts airflow and destroys lift. Without precise de-icing, these multi-million-dollar aircraft are nothing more than ice monuments, impossible to fly. The snowplows have been working around the clock. Ontario may be frozen, but the spirit of its people remains, at least until they realize the snow removal bill is coming.